Hey guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to show you how to change the language of Assassin's Creed Odyssey. So my version is in Dutch. I'm going to show you how to change it to any other language you want, which are available in the game obviously. So I'm going to quickly hit the space bar here. Now the third option here is for option. So take a guess and just click on this. There on the right top, this one, the second last, is for language. Now you have to click on the first option here and you can select any language you want. I'm gonna select English and hit the escape. Now go for the second one as well, same thing, select English, and again go to the third one. This one is for subtitles and select English. Hit escape again and you have to click on this one here and hit the first one. Now you can see it's in English. I'm gonna go back to the menu to show it to you again. Okay, press any key. Okay, as you can see, everything is in English now. I'm gonna go to options again. Alright, so all are in English. So that's about the video guys. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, query, let me know in the comment section. Do subscribe to the channel for more contents. Thanks for watching and you all have a good day. Cheers.